Hey guys, just pulled in and I guess what I see. It's not a Dodge, it's a velvet interior Chevrolet, an 88. Look at this one, it just came in the door, just came off the flatbed, and we've got typical foam bodywork, you can see, but look at that, it's got a clean front end. Look at those brand new headlights. Pretty. And it's got racing stripes with the fade going on. Typical chrome peeling. It's got Euro headlights. Look at them, they still have the sticker on it. They still have the sticker. So brand new. The little tires, nice and bald. Nice and bald. And of course, oh, it's got side pipes. Would you look at this? Look at that cap. Oh yeah. And it's got the rally wheels, and it sure sounds good. It's got the typical bodywork on it. Somebody's put wheel wells on that thing. Pretty old, not too bad though. I've certainly seen worse. And it's got the long bed. G-Force racing gear. Who are they? Black Magic. MagnaFlow performance exhaust. Let's take a look at the exhaust. Not too bad. See what happens when you rev it. Bit of a sticky exhaust. How many miles? 320,000 kilometers on this thing. Pretty good. Doesn't feel anything like mine. It's got tons of parts inside. Look at the ignition. All in good shape. So anyways, hopefully somebody will take a lot of parts off this old 88. Anyways guys, SAN 379 out.